We are very happy about the review on the famous media such as What's Sky High, 5 stars. Proud to say that the highest rating given to the AZ100.
The AZ100, we can say that we have a product that is targeted to the masses. We need to say that everyone can enjoy premium audio, not just audiophiles, but also everyone from every sort of lifestyle to improve their lives.
I totally enjoyed the ability to try the earbuds at the stations, testing the voice pickup quality using voice-focused AI, and of course the multi-point pairing station as well.
I think the feature that really excited me the most is the noise cancellation, because just now when I tried, although the room is very noisy, I really couldn't hear anything. I could really focus on my music. Because a lot of times I use it when I'm working out, when we're just commuting, and what really frustrates me is I can hear the outside.